What up guys, your boy JMac95 with another video, and today is a very exciting day because as you can see behind me we got the charger. I'm finally going to get those Brembo brake calipers installed. You look at the wheel right now, see how the stock wheels look. I can't wait for those big rotors and those big calipers on red just sticking out there. I'm gonna hop in the car, we're gonna drive over to the shop and then get them installed, get them up on the lift and get them installed. So cold start for y'all or warm start because the weather is kind of hot anyway. Boom, and she roars to life. So stay with me, we're gonna drive over there. Alright guys, we got the first one on. So here's the spindle. We had to change the whole front spindle. There's the old one. The reason why you have to change the front spindle, right here where the Brembo goes on the V6 or the non-SRT models, it's a lot thinner. On the new spindle that I got, it's a lot wider. It's like that much wider. So here's where the hole goes in. If you can see, it's kind of dark. So that's the thicker part that you need in order for this. Because if you use the thinner one, when the bolt goes through, the brake pads are going to be clamped on the rotor and your wheel won't be able to turn. So that's why you need to change the spindles if you don't have an SRT spindle and you're trying to upgrade to Brembos. I know about the big brake kits, but for Brembos, you need bigger spindles. Like just getting some rotors too. Alright guys, everything's on, but when the wheel goes back on, it doesn't fit. So you're gonna need spacers. When it comes in, I'll let you know what sizes to get and etc. and so forth. So early on in the video guys, you saw the car on the lift, you saw the Brembos getting installed, everything. Good news, bad news. Well, the good news is we got the fronts installed. The bad news is we didn't get the rears installed. For the rear, why it did not work is with the rear knuckles, we need to purchase a bushing. It's called a spindle bushing. So I had to contact a guy I know at Dodge and he helped me out. He got me a part number, so the part won't come in for about a week to a week and a half. So this is why I'm doing this video. I wanted to do the video all as one, but it didn't work out and I'm not waiting 10 days to do, wait that long. So I'm gonna do this one now and put it out there. I'm doing the front. This video, as you can see, it's about the front. You guys get to see how the fronts look. I'll put it on. I'll also tell you what I had to do. We're at the front wheel now. Here, they're on. The Brembos, they do look nice. I'm not gonna lie, they really stick out. I love how they look. It was a lot of work because once you think you buy everything and you're getting it installed, there's always another roadblock. So we got these on. We finally got the brakes. I remember last time we needed different spindles. I got the different spindles, and then now we finally got it in. The Brembos finally go on. The rotor finally turns because last time it wouldn't turn because they're the wrong spindles. Finally got it on. Then we try to put the wheel on, wheel wouldn't fit. We try to get spacers, we got the spacers on, and we finally get the spacers on. The lug nuts wouldn't catch. So it's just one problem after another. Then I had to buy wheel adapters, which is this back here. Back here you see that's 1-inch wheel adapters. And what wheel adapters are, they're not spacers, or well, they're spacers, but they're with extended threads, so the lug nuts could catch on there. So it's a 1-inch spacer, which means if you look on the car, the tire sticks out more. From the back, the tire sticks out more. so the mud guards aren't really helping that much anymore. And especially now that I have the spacers or the wheel adapters, now I could get 315s on the back with no problem or rubbing on the inside. So I'm thinking about it, but with 315s it'd even look even wider. But the Brembos do look nice. The rotors are a lot bigger. It looks nice, it stands out a lot, it looks mean. Then you come to the back now, same stock rotors. It kind of looks weird, but not really, because you can't really notice it unless you're really a car guy or whatnot. You'd be like, wait, you know, but it still looks nice. 7 to 10 days, hopefully get the bushing, because once you take this old rotor out to change you change the spindle, you can't reuse the old bushing. So when we get the bushing, we put it in, and you guys get to see how the back looks. So the point of this video, anyone who wants to install Brembos on theirs or upgrade their big brakes, these are some problems you might run into. It's a learning experience for me, so I'm doing this to help others, so you know what parts you need, you know what you're getting into, you could budget yourself. Just like with the spacers, I had no idea. I'm thinking everything's all good and done, and boom, I need to get wheel adapters. I had the car sitting on the lift for like, I had it installed last Saturday. Had the car sitting on the lift from Saturday to Tuesday, and now today's Friday. I'm just making this video, but I got the car back Tuesday. It drives well. The brakes, they're magnificent. They're smooth stopping, even from high speed to low. It's just smooth. I mean, there's no braking in. The pads, oh, and as you can see, no brake dust at all. And that's what I love. You know, I've heard the other Brembo owners say one day after washing their car or whatever, it's just coated with brake dust. So no brake dust. The Duralast Max brake pads, they work well, they stop well. So I recommend those if you plan on changing out your pads, or you don't want any brake dust like me. And boom, clean wheel. And that's what I like, nice clean wheel. So I'll get the backs installed, and then I'll do a video on that one and video that process, and y'all get to see how it looks. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned, and I'll see you on the next one.